Let's solve some problems here. In the diagram above, angle OBC is congruent to angle OCB. How many degrees does angle A measure? So we're given an illustration here of two triangles inscribed in a circle. We have triangle ABC and triangle OBC. Since angles OBC and OCB are congruent, so that means both angles are equal to 55 degrees. So this is also 55 degrees. Therefore, the third angle here, which is angle O or angle BOC, can just be calculated by subtracting the sum of the two given angles from 180 degrees, which is the total measure of the angles in a triangle. So the measure of angle O or angle BOC is just equal to 180 degrees minus 55 plus 55 degrees. And this is just equal to 70 degrees. So this one is 70 degrees. Okay, an angle O here is a central angle. Therefore, the intercepted arc BC here is also equal to 70 degrees. We are asked for the measure of angle A. And angle A here is an inscribed angle. And an inscribed angle is just equal to half of the measure of its intercepted arc. Since we are given the measure of the intercepted arc, which is equal to 70 degrees, therefore the measure of angle A is just equal to 70 over 2, or just equal to 35 degrees. So this is our answer here. Find the positive value that makes the function f of a equals 4a squared plus 12a plus 9 over a squared minus 16 undefined. Okay, how are we going to do that? The function would only be undefined when its denominator is equal to 0. Therefore, we can set the denominator here equal to 0. And the denominator of function f of a is a squared minus 16. So let's set that to 0. So a squared minus 16 equals 0. And now we can solve for the values of a. We can transpose 16 to the right. So this would become a squared equals 16, and we get the square root of both sides. Therefore, a is just equal to plus minus 4. So we have two values for a here. We have a equals positive 4 and a equals negative 4. And we are only asked for the positive value. Therefore, the answer here is positive 4. Every 3 minutes, 4 liters of water are poured into a 2,000 liter tank. After 2 hours, what percent of the tank is full? Okay, since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, okay, this is just equal to 60 minutes and 120 minutes in 2 hours. It says here after 2 hours. Okay, so if 4 liters are poured every 3 minutes, then 4 liters are poured 40 times. So this would be, we just have to divide 120 minutes by 3 minutes. So 120 over 3. So this would be 40 times 4. So we have 160. Okay, so the tank here can hold 2,000 liters of water. Okay, it's just filled with 160 liters after 2 hours. And then to get the percent of that one, we just have to divide 160 by 2,000 times 100%. So this is just equal to 0.08 times 100%, or just equivalent to 8%. So after 2 hours, 8% of the tank is full. So the answer here is letter C. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 60. Find the least of these integers. So we can let x, okay, let x, x plus 1, and x plus 2 be the consecutive integers. Then we can just add them up and equate to 60, because it says here the sum. So that would be x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 60. And we can group like terms, x plus x plus x, so that would be 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 3 equals 60. And then we subtract 3 from both sides, and we have 3x equals 57, and we divide both sides by 3, and we get the value of x, the first integer, is equal to 19. So the integers are 19, 20, and 21, and the smallest of which is 19.